episode. Hey guys, so here's a compilation of me and my friends playing random games for my community pack. I'm sorry I've been gone for a while. I just needed a break for a little bit, so yeah. I don't know why, but people feel like it's like, let's say some scared grocery on the next shift. No, we're not voting now. We're doing one player, right? What?
Emma.
Yeah.
Emma, can you look in that drawer, second drawer down, see if the other big mitten is in there?
Oh, sorry, Disney. Yeah. Loki.
Middle drawer.
Hello. Welcome to your first night shift. We're really glad to have you here running the grocery store. And hey, thanks for taking the job. The previous employees, well, they either quit pretty fast or just disappeared without notice. But I'm sure you'll be fine. Here comes your first customer. Wait for the customer to come to the counter.
John Joe. Is that his name? Is that his name?
Bag the customer's items.
I'm making sure the lights stay on. Then heading out of Los Angeles. From December 27, 2004. Back when things are simple. Okay.
Take a moment to review the customer's information on the computer. Press these buttons to ask the customer to verify their information.
Out of Los Angeles, okay.
The customer's answers match their information. Complete the transaction. Hey, look at you! Checked out your first customer. Great job! Just keep that same energy going for the rest of the
Ew,
night. And try not to overthink things.
Ew, what is that?
Here comes another customer. Wait for the customer to come to the counter.
What the actual heck is that? That is not regular. Ew, what is that?
Bag the customer's items. Take a moment to review the customer's information on the computer. Press these buttons to ask the customer to verify their information.
Is it just repeating me? It's repeating. I help keep people alive in hospital. Ooh, cool, nurse. Drove all the way from Tornado, long trip. Been kicking around since December 27, 2004.
The customer is wrong about where they're from.
Okay, what do you do?
Customers that answer questions incorrectly are doppelgangers. Make sure to also look out for weird-looking customers, as well as incorrect names. Pick up the pistol and shoot the doppelganger.
Oh!
Use the mop to clean the goo on the floor. Now, throw the body out the dumpster outside behind the store.
Oh.
Hey, you got rid of your first doppelganger. Nice work. It was a little messy, sure, but you handled it like a pro. That's enough for your first night. Head to the bus to complete the shift.
Okay, that was... Okay, no.
Hey, welcome back for shift number two. You actually made some leftover cash from last night. Congrats. You can use that to buy some things from the supply shop. Go to the order screen and order an item box.
An item box?
Pick up the item box and restock a shelf.
quick heads up on your paycheck. After the company takes out the quota, you know, their share, whatever money is left over is yours to keep. You can take that extra cash over to the supply shop and buy some cool things. It's basically bonus money for being so good at your job.
Sorry.
Anyway, I'll be going now. Just remember what I've taught you so far, and you'll be fine.
I'm sus. I'm so sussed.
Good luck running the place. You've got this.
No, whatever. Oh my goodness. I help out fires and rescue people in danger. Okay. Stopped by plenty gas stations since leaving. Just awful. Been around since December 2006. Of course, because we have short. Okay. We might not finish long. I just got a good feeling. I don't know what was that for, but okay. I make sure everyone listens carefully. Okay, teacher. You don't get air this cool in May. I was born in December 1916. Okay, cool. Wait, 1916? Yeah. No. I'm so obsessed about this game. I don't know what it is, but like, I don't like it. I organize books and help people find information. Okay, Lava Nation. Been a while since walking Tokyo's bright streets. Way back in April 12, 1987. Okay. I don't know about this game. It feels like it's scary. Oh, we got another guy. Cool. Oh my god, yes, we. I help people get back on the road. Firefighter. That's long drive from New York tonight. From August 15, 2012. Back when we're simple. Yeah. Yeah, don't worry about it. Just, yeah, keep going. Hold up. Hey, just hold up. Don't worry about me, bro. What? That might be poop. Ew. Gross. This is... I think night 3 we should leave. I don't. Yeah, maybe we should stop playing this game. Timmy, sketchy. I hope keep people alive. Okay, yeah, let's leave. I don't like this. I don't like this. Is scary. What game should we play? Dispatch? Huh? You mean Dispatch Police Simulator? That's more funner than the other one. Yeah. Enter I am low graphics.
All available units. We've got multiple reports of a knife fight resulting in multiple injured bystanders.
Still need that. Well, thank you. We should work together. Yeah, this is only us. It's only us two. What car should we get out? I'm gonna get this one out. Okay, let's go. See, I'm a great driver. Oh, maybe I'll just see where's the one. Well, parts of it off. This is for SWAT, by the way. I can't do it because you. Hey, wait, what can I pull out? I was gonna fine. They will have an ambulance soon. Wait, should just see how run Wait a sec. What's up? Let me see your D. Okay.
All available units. We've received a distress call from two police officers.
Give me out a second. Where are you going? Where are you heading to? Just want to know. Do you live here? No, I'm not. I'm not from the town. Where did you come from? Where are you back? Are you carrying anything legal? Not at all. You're free to go. Let's go respond to this police thing. That would be kind of cool if they took cars. Oh my god. See? No, my car, I'm not doing it. It's just my car is like losing its control. I don't know if it's me or it's the game. Just took out. I still got a light bulb. Whoops. I got a cat stuck in a tree. How does a cat get stuck in a tree? You know what? Wait, no. I think that's one of the new calls too. Okay, yeah, let's go back to the show. Back into this game again. Okay, sound fun, bold, perfect for a live show. Sound like a baby. My baby. What should I do? I'm a baby. You know what? I'm not even questioning it. Really? Yeah. Let's do this. But make it like a bluish green. Like yeah, we got. Yeah. I'm gonna make this. I think we should just leave this white. I think we should just leave this one white. I think we should just leave this one white. No, not that. Yeah, leave this one white. Okay. Oh my lord! Okay, I sound like a dumb.
You guys are early? Alright. Sorry, I'm behind.
Oh my god, I'm a young person. I slay. I'm slaying. Actually, no, I'm gonna get different videos out. Okay, let's see if I can go here. We're gonna put these on. Make them 8.
Yeah, we please. Get those.
Wait, these is actually kind of looking good. I said it. Oh my god, don't say it. golden.
Feel better now?
I had my water and a coffee.
Got a little good.
I don't have nothing else to put on. I don't know what else to put on here for a concert. I think it looks good though. I don't know what else to put on.
Sweetheart, can you put a table?
Yeah.
Emma, can you put... Emma,
What?
can you put this stuff in bags and put it away?
Okay,
I'm currently in a round.
Can you stop? Right?
I'm currently in a round that
I
I
will get you one, Lena.
Yep.
Just wait.
Mommy's gonna get you one. You can get her one right now. This isn't like... We're not at the,
Okay, you got to put one in the fridge. Take one out of your place one.
Emma,
Here, can you put that
What?
in the fridge?
can you put your stuff?
I'm
you put all
currently
this stuff
I'm
in your
currently
box
in a
and
round.
Leave it, please.
I'm currently around with my friend and she doesn't want us to lose. Yeah, best channel. Maybe if we do lose, I'm gonna. You have to do their own. Don't do something with you. What else did I do?
What's that? What's the golden cup?
They're like, I think they were like selling them separately though. But so apparently, like, if you get the golden cup, you win Chick-fil-A for a year.
Oh, wow.
I don't know what else to add to the outfit for
Here, try
us.
this.
Here, Lena.
You don't want to try this?
Lena! Careful.
I'm just making myself look
Alright,
good.
Em.
What?
Yeah, what if you want to do your dinner is tasty? Are you ready? It's just spaghetti sauce. Not hot, is it? Good? Alright.
Okay, let's go sit down. Mommy's gotta...
What else should I put on? You're running out of I'm done. I'm done. Okay, let's see.
She had Chick-fil-A yesterday.
Yeah.
So did Emma
I-
so did Evelina and Ezra.
I know.
Except they didn't get their Chick-fil-A till like 8 o'clock at night.
What?
Yeah, because like Chick-fil-A, we ordered at like 6:30, and I guess Chick-fil-A was really busy or something.
That's
Yeah, ours
cute.
was long, yeah,
And then
but ours was lunchtime.
I was chatting because Emma, you need to like scoot down because Lena can't even get her chair.
Okay, this is not gonna. This is not
You want
gonna.
to take your sweater off?
I decided to go. Okay,
No,
so
it's
fine.
fine.
Let's do
You can go. You don't sit like that.
Wait, are you transit or run? I'm running. I'm about to get. You wanna go?
I'll flip
Well,
it here.
yeah. Don't put your nasty hair there.
I
Alright,
already
Em, you need to put your stuff away.
I'm finishing this round. Oh wait, I did do it.
Sit down before you spill
Are you
something.
serious? Stop. This is.
Come on. Well, no, that's out.
Okay, this is you. I'll give you 5. I'll give you 5. I'll give you 5.
Oh, you don't give me.
I'll give you 5. No, it's not you. It's not you. Emma says really good. No, I don't say it. I don't say it. Don't talk. Don't. Is this you? You. Okay, I don't like hilarious. I'm sorry. I can't do that. Yeah, I'll give you 5. I'll give you 4. I'll give you 4.
Why are you logging your order? 80? Okay, so
What?
Cheesy girl. Okay.
you said 80 now.
What do you mean?
You said 80 now.
Who says?
Yeah.
We What do you mean? Nobody told me 80 ounces. That's just what.
Ew, Emma! Okay, Emma, you're actually
I mean,
smart.
technically, a lot of the girls are doing 100 ounces. But I don't know if I.
You flex, but... Okay, I can see this outfit, okay.
It's to get more water in your intake, daily intake.
No, I just can't.
You're supposed to drink, like, I don't know, you're supposed to drink a lot of water.
Yes, you are.
I'm trying to drink 80 ounces a day.
Yeah.
I usually drink 50, but I'm trying to get up
Bro,
to
my outfit was good.
I
You did every time. I'm close to you, Emma. Emma got 8. Emma got 8. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Seriously. Emma, seriously. You're mean.
I'm doing this, like, health challenge with some of the girls in my group.
yeah.
And
Wow. Okay.
they say 100
ya.
ounces.
Get into ERC. It's a banana. It's a waffle. It's a banana. Banana. Okay, the pancake is cute. Oh, potato. Cute baby. Nah, Emma saying I'm a boy. A boy. Boy. I think I'm standing. Boy. Good joke. Remember because you got me last time, but oh yeah. Car fresh is so crazy. I get it out because I don't have money, but I'm budgeting this. I mean, Joel, where are you? I have 41 seconds. I'm trying to do the best, but I'm getting shot. Oh. Where I'm so many morons. Oh yeah, exactly. Half of the time I've been just doing Cabot Color maps right. I'm a bird. Oh, you should turn up. I'm a bird. And I'm like a bird. Oh my god, yes. Yes. That would be funny. I got one more. Knock it. I'm riding the train, so. Oh my god, I'm getting chased by girls. Emma, help me. I just. Emma, run. Go. Move it. Wait a minute, get out of there. You're dead. I'm making it extra. Where are you? Alleyway. Emma's an absolute moron. I just don't look wrong. I know what the guy's saying. There's a cup right there. I'm an episode moron. Oh my god, that's funny. Nah, what if I get arrested? Low key, if we do, that's your fault. I didn't do anything. Low key. Okay, Emma. Nah, the car. What if we get pulled over? There is a cop right there, Emma. Oh, now they're getting pulled over. The cop didn't care! Yo! Yo! Wait, none of the cops care? Loki, they get in trouble. And none of the cops care. I don't think any of the cops care. Oh my lord! The cops don't care. I can't get out. Like, I made this car stop. Oh my lord! What are we doing? I don't know. Just circles. You're endangering people. Endangering people. There's cops around here. Endangering people. Loki? That's what we're doing. Endangering people. We got a cop chasing us. Yo, what? This is impossible. We're endangering people. No! I got bitten. 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 No, 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 save me, 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 save me. I'm out of save them. I'm out. I'll save them. No, please. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. I think I got out before that. I was endangering people. Oh, bruh, I got in jail. I bought $100 and the last $5,000. Not a cop, not us. I wanted so much. I'm endangering people. I endangered a cop. Maybe we should stop robbing stuff and be a firefighter or a police officer that doesn't endanger. Maybe we should do that. Yeah. Did you see? Good girl. How many minutes do you have in jail? 3 minutes? This is crazy.
Mary King.
I think this is a good girl song. Oh, okay. Where is it? Where is... Oops, wrong person. Bro, I'm just doing you. Bruh, this is taking. You wanna go play something else? Like, kill people? Yo, I want to be firefighter for a little bit before we go join it. No, help. Nah, someone say help and then you die. What? Maybe you say that. You good, Emma? We should be cops. I have 1 minute on my chest sentence. You know this song? No. Bro, people. A brother. What? I'm sucking.
Oh my god. Ain't
I
no
still have
way.
1 minute left.
Oh my god. Ain't no way.
We were able to music it out. Wait, can I? Yeah. Okay.
Well done, Tucker. Well done.
Oh my, I still have 1 minute left.
You said you were fast. I had to
No sleepover right
Anyway, come on, Mufasa. Let's get into this.
We're trying to jump out.
No other animal will break my stride. Break my stride. And my brother. When I'm king, you'll always take my side.
Yeah, right.
That's right. When I am king, no other animal will break our pride. Break our pride. And my brother. Our prey may run away, but they can't hide. Clutch your hide. Let's go.
How many police officers are there? I don't know. I'm so jail too. Dan.
Okay, she didn't say hide away, let's go.
Nah.
Okay, run away, let's go.
I'm out.
Yes, you are, let's
There's
go.
a baby.
Make a wish on the brightest star and I say I always wanted a brother. I always wanted a brother just like you. And I always wanted a brother. Just like you. See that tree?
Those birds are watching the world unfold.
Oh, brother.
My brother.
When I'm king, they will do as they're told.
You may look down on them. They are.
You can't catch me.
And where they go cannot be controlled.
No one looks down on
What car should I get out?
Look down
Okay, I don't
on
know.
those brothers. Some things you chase cannot hold.
Okay, it's getting
Oh, we're leaving the truck
let's
out.
Go. Let's go!
Find a way, find a way,
Let's go!
I heard his father say he doesn't want this stray.
I tell you to say that it came to my face. What did you say about my brother? That's not a trait, it's my brother. You stay away from my brother, cause I say so. Put your paws on my brother. You need the trust of his brother. Rose in the lost of my brother. Where'd he go?
Low key, if someone says it and then Emma doesn't.
always wanted a brother.
Well, I gotta hear the sound again. The map's not loading in. Oh no. Oh god. Okay, we're gonna. There is a Julie Robbie. I am going over there. I'm not going to hold them. I'm just going to back up. So yeah. Police! Shoot the window. I died! How did I die to a stupid little criminal? Bro. Maybe I need to get a rifle out. Let's get the baby out. Let's get the MP5. Yeah, let's get that out. No, wait. Yeah, let's get that. I think I want to get a different car, actually. Which one should I get out? This one. I'm doing this one. People are mostly like blind. What? What? Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna get the truck out. We're patrolling Call Blitz Boss and plus group bonus. Okay, we're gonna. I'm stuck! We're gonna go see if we can get that criminal again. Oh my god, I'm still stuck. Okay, come on, bestie, let's go. Oh my god, I cannot go. When people are like running into the middle of the road, what was happening? Like, why were people running into the middle of the road? Just crashed. They're gone. Why is there a guy just running? Oh! I saw you, girl. How do you spy me? I don't know how you back up. Oh, we got questions for you? Oh my god, Julie Roberts! Hey, to do it when there's a cop right next to it. Do they always do this? They always do it and then leave. It's this guy again. I'm not listening to fight to you guys. It's the second time I died to this guy. Bruh. What the heck? I need to get something that actually I can kill with him. What the actual heck? It's like that. It's like the. Why is there like a bunch of cars? It's that guy. Oh, I got another truck here. Oh, look who decides to come back. Oh, shush. You think you're gonna get away from me, bro? Yeah, come here. No, 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 no. You say no, no. You say no, no. You say no, no. Oh my god, I can't want this beats here. Yeah, she left. She left. So she just got scared. Pull your hands up if you're over here. Oh, I wasn't. Oh, oops. How is it? And why is with these people and robbing the stores and then they just like fleek? You know what I mean? Like they run. Like they're scared. Oh, there's someone here. This is clear. It's clear. I don't know. Okay, there's like so much robberies happening. There's so much robberies happening. And I don't know where the girl we were chasing earlier went. I think she left. I know what house that is. I know what. No, I don't. No, I don't. And I don't know. Actually, yeah, I do know the house because people always. There's a store. I don't. Okay, well, I will get that. Stolen cars are not that bad. I mean, like, I know this is a fast car because my friend has it, and I'm not chasing that stupid car. That car is so hard to like start a pursuit in. And that one too. Oh, the sunset's leaving. Oh, the sunset's leaving. Oh, no, I see him. Oh, there's. Oh, no. I think I can escape from me, bro. Oh my god, they're drifting. Oh my god, they're drifting. Yeah, that's what I thought. Nah, they're running. Oh, they're running from me. No, they're faster than me, no. I'm not gonna make it. I'm done. Dang it! Dang it! Well, apparently I'm not good at just trying to get people. Apparently not, bro. Be quiet. Maybe I'll get the next time. There was so much robberies, I don't even know what was happening. I'm not going back there. I know they're gonna probably be there. Let's look. Okay. I am not chasing you, bro. Stop. If you want me to chase you, get a different car. I'm not chasing you in a supercar.